Terra is a Cosmos-based protocol that powers a suite of algorithmic stablecoins. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies tethered to the value of another asset, most often the US dollar. There are many issues affecting the value of cryptocurrencies, but stablecoins with decentralized governance attempt to avoid these problems by maintaining their pegs using algorithms rather than large cash and debt reserves. TerraUSD is an example of such a stablecoin. Other stablecoins are tied to different currencies around the world. Through a network of arbitrageurs that purchase and sell Luna, the seventh largest cryptocurrency as of April 2022, it maintains its peg to the US dollar. Holders of Luna have voting rights over the protocol, making it a governance token. Hello and welcome to yet another intriguing video that we have tailored for you. In today's video, we'll be looking at Terra Luna and all you need to know about it. Also in this video, we'll bring you the news updates that should matter to you about Terra Luna. Before continuing, hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell. Stay tuned and don't touch that dial. How many Terra Luna coins out there? There are 1 billion Terra tokens in circulation. As the price of Terra stablecoins fluctuates, new Luna tokens are created using the protocol's algorithm. Terra Luna was initially offered to investors in a private token sale, which comprised the investment arms of key exchanges like Binance, OKX, and Huobi. Terra raised $32 million due to the transaction, which was completed in August of 2018. Terraform Labs received 10% of the 385,245,974 Luna minted for sale. 20% of the employees and project contributors received 20%, Terra Alliance received 20%, and Price Stability Reserves received 20%, project backers received 26%. Genesis Liquidity received 4% of the Luna minted for sale. Who created Terra? Terraform Labs, a firm launched by Do Kwon and Daniel Shin in 2018, was the driving force behind creating the Terra ecosystem. How does it work? Terra mints and burns tokens to keep its stablecoins balanced while also encouraging arbitrage. You must first mint UST before you can purchase it. You'll have to pay the standard fee in Luna to do so. The protocol reduces Luna supply by burning, causing the Luna price to rise slightly. As a result, the supply of UST is restricted, which pushes up the price. With a similar mechanism, Terra has also created stablecoins tied to the South Korean won and a basket of leading global currencies managed by the IMF called Special Drawing Rights. According to Terra's white paper, the stablecoins will never be out of balance because of the elasticity of Luna supply. Still, the success of UST rests on the sustained interest of arbitrageurs in the company, and for this reason, analysts are concerned that arbitrageurs may not arbitrage UST back to its $1 peg if they determine that UST is doomed to fail or transfer their money to another project. The importance of a strong community spirit is evident in many crypto projects that advocate for free markets. Is there anything else that sets Terra apart? Because of its smart contract blockchain technology, Terra coins can be used in any application built on the Cosmos protocol. Through Terraform Labs' Reflect protocol, Terra coins can be exchanged for equities that mirror the price of major US companies. Terra launched the Columbus 5 upgrade at the end of September 2021. As a result, Terra became interoperable with other blockchains because of the Inter-Blockchain Communication (IBC) protocol's new features. Two notable examples are Ozone, an insurance protocol, and Wormhole version 2, a cross-chain blockchain bridge that supports UST. In 2021, UST eclipsed DAI as the most valuable decentralized stablecoin. Both UST and DAI were valued at over $13 billion as of April of 2022. Where can one purchase Terra Luna? Many centralized exchanges allow you to purchase Terra. For example, Coinbase, Binance, eToro, and Crypto.com support Terra. It's possible to buy Luna on all of these exchanges. What is Terra's long-term future? Terra's decentralized programmable payments network has no permissions and no central authority. Low-cost payments and transactions are made possible via the protocol. For this reason, there will be a growing ecosystem built around Terra's open infrastructure and its compatibility with decentralized application. Among the 15 e-commerce companies Terra has partnered with are Tiki, Q0010, Carousel, Woowa Brothers, Chai, a mobile payment service, and BC Card, a financial services provider. An ecosystem fund of US $150 million has also been set up by Terra and investors like Arrington Capital, Block Tower Capital, and Galaxy Digital. To help the ecosystem grow faster, the fund accepts open proposal submissions from developers. The Terra ecosystem currently holds a total worth of $12.9 billion. Terra's approach to creating an interoperable, user-friendly payment infrastructure for crypto novices may make it an enticing alternative. What are some of the achievements made by Terra? According to Terra's creators, the company has constructed a system with an average block time of 6 seconds. And the Terra network, each validator sets a minimum price for gas fees paid by all transactions. Stablecoin transactions are subject to additional fees, and gas fees preserve stability. Mirror and Anchor are two other projects that contribute to the ecosystem. With Mirror Finance, users can build M-assets, which mirror the price of stocks to acquire equity exposure for their UST holders. The Ethereum network's M-asset swaps are now possible thanks to Mirror's Shuttle Bridge, which expands the ecosystem's interoperability. The Anchor protocol, a cryptocurrency platform, allows access to steady interest rates. Deposited crypto is automatically staked to a proof-of-stake blockchain network without users needing to find their liquidity pools. The DeFi market is complicated and no platform is ideal, especially in its infancy. So what are some of the concerns about Terra? Terra has a long way to go to catch up to Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, two of the most popular DeFi chains. Also, Tether's USDT, the most popular stablecoin, is progressively being overtaken by Terra stablecoins. Some blockchain purists have criticized Terra because it does not have as many nodes as others. The Ethereum network's 3,038 validators outweigh it by more than 1,000. Also, delegated Luna supply is now held by the top 10 network validators, which is a cause for concern in terms of decentralization. Finally, Terraform Labs has been served with a subpoena in connection with the Mirror protocol as part of an investigation by the Securities and Exchange Commission into possible violations of securities laws, such as the unregistered operation brokerages and the sale of securities outside that bypass regulated securities exchanges. If Terraform and Quad don't comply with the SEC, they have essentially little remedy, says Todd Sipperman, managing principal of Sipperman Compliance Services. What has been going on with Terra Luna recently? Despite the unfavorable crypto market trend, Luna's trading volume in the first quarter of 2022 was more than 8 times that of the first quarter of 2021. This year, Terra Luna hit a record high of $119.18 on April 5, with a trading volume of more than $45 billion in the first 3 weeks of its fourth month. What caused the trade volume to surge? The surge in Luna's trading volume in the first quarter of 2022 was most likely caused by the improvements in the Terra ecosystem, which attracted the attention of millions of investors. Terra's co-founder Do Kwon mentioned in October of 2021 that the organization was planning to add at least 160 projects to Terra's ecosystem in 2022, following the successful network upgrade of Columbus 5. The same upgrade that upgraded Terra's features altered Terra's mechanics. As a result, Terra's blockchain increased its available liquidity. Terra's total value locked TVL was $18.45 billion when it launched on January 1, 2022. On March 31, 2022, this had grown to $28.95 billion. Terra's opening and closing TVL increased by 56% in the first quarter of 2022. This new milestone would have not been possible without the billions of dollars invested in Anchor, Lido, and Astroport on Terra. As part of its expanding TIMES product stack of themed digital asset funds, Asset Management Limited, a professional digital asset manager, has launched the IDEG Terra Enhanced Tracker SP. The product is the first of its kind to hit the market and follows the recent introduction of its Ethereum Enhanced portfolio. As the company's first of a planned series of products, the Terra Enhanced Tracker provides professional and institutional investors access to digital asset investments beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum that are professionally managed and third-party custody by IDEG. In terms of total value locked, Terra is presently the second largest smart contract platform behind only Ethereum. Terra Enhanced Tracker will use a combination of arbitrage tactics, including cash and carry arbitrage, purely to invest in and actively derive value from the price of Terra Luna. That's all from this video. We hope you learned something from it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your loved ones so they too can learn something. Also, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Until the following video, peace out.